Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Galaxy A14, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So let's open the Play Store and let's start with the third place in our tab. So on the third place in my tab is Niagara Launcher, so just find Niagara Launcher on your device and click install. Wait a while. And click open. Click OK. So first I need to tell you that I'm using several launchers at the same time, so in different scenes of my life. So at work I am using this launcher because here I can use my favorite applications, my most using application at work on the home screen, and here I have alphabetical line to find any other application I need. Of course, here we have the search. We can use search between documents and other. So in this launcher you have no any annoying features and any misuseful features too. And on the second place in my tab is Smart Launcher 6. Smart Launcher 6. Click install. I'm using this launcher when I have the free time, when I'm spending the time with my family, and when I or when I spending time don't know, relaxing, because it's really colorful and really beautiful launcher with really beautiful interface, icons, fonts, and wallpapers. You have here you can pay for premium, but you can use it completely for free without ads. And here, as you can see, we have a really beautiful interface. Here we have news, and here we have my menu with really handy apps grouping feature. So here we have our contacts, messengers, telegrams, vibers, I don't know, our internet surfing apps, games, media, utilities, and settings. So I really love this launcher because it's simple and beautiful. But on the first place in my tab is Microsoft Launcher. Just find it. Microsoft Launcher. Click install. You have the Samsung device. So Samsung device really great works with Microsoft applications because Microsoft services are integrated into the Samsung device, into the Samsung One UI. So open, click allow, click continue, skip, and here you will see this screen. You can see this screen only on Samsung devices. You can integrate your Microsoft launcher into your Samsung One UI launcher. So I suggest to do it. Of course, you can do not do it. So just click customize and disable implementation, and click let's go. Set as default. Find here Microsoft. And great. So as you can see, this launcher looks like just a simple, beautiful, standard Samsung appearance, but with all Microsoft features. So here on the left side you have your widgets. You can set up all your widgets here, calendars and other else. For example, you have by default here Microsoft widgets, but you can edit this view, disable Microsoft widgets, and add your widgets, for example, from Google Calendar and other applications. Here you have news. And why I really love this launcher, I'm using this launcher when I study, when I'm at university, and I need to use several applications in the same time, and I really need to find it very, very, very fast. And sometimes I'm forgetting how what's the name of the desired tab, and in this way really helps gestures feature. So just open gestures here in settings and set up your first gesture. For example, I will open Google Drive using just swipe with 2 fingers from down to up, and in this way Google Drive is opens. Of course, in the main menu we have alphabetical line, we have search and voice search, and of course this is very helpful. And here, if you will click on the 3 dots button on the right top corner of your screen, you can hide unused apps from the main menu. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.